Monday, September 30th, 3:56 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Video is going to be deep details on day trading, Zerodte options on SPX, S&P 500. My opinion prior to trading this morning, looking at the stock indexes, the major three, the top three. Well, since Friday's close, we had divergencies, so I was concerned. More bearish and bias. Friday's close on the S&P 500 was an inside candle. The Nasdaq 100 closed red, lower high, lower low. And the Dow Jones on Friday made a new high, bearish pin bar. So my thought was, well, the bearish pin bar of the Dow may have us more bearish on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 because that inside candle up here, I was thinking potential reversal, bearish bias again. When I go to the futures intraday on the 1 hour, looking at that this morning, the equity index futures, I was seeing overnight futures were declining. Here's the S&P 500 declining, Nasdaq 100 futures declining, and the Dow Jones declining. So again, I was leaning more bearish bias this morning. My day trades are at a very small time frame. Not using the daily, no intraday time frame. This is one of my screens I have when I'm doing the Zerodte options. The far right is the daily chart. The middle is a 30-minute, and the left is the 15-minute. The cash, S&P 500, SPX. Well, when you see the price action here on the left, the middle 30-minute, and on the right, again, that inside candle. Well, now you see how things are getting ready to go because the market's going to close in 1 minute. This morning, I watched because this orange vertical line was economic news at 9:45 this morning, economic news. So I had no problem sitting on hands, not taking a trade till after that. First 15-minute candle formed. Yeah, big wick on the top and closed around midpoint of that candle. I already had labeled a high, that blue vertical line, horizontal line, and that blue horizontal line on the bottom is the high and low. And then, again, these are 15 minutes. So after that economic news, we had inside candle indecision. Boy, I was hoping for a move above or below on that 15-minute candle. It did not occur because I'm looking for a trade out there, waiting for the break. Some refer to as the ORB, open range breakout. Well, open range breakout, some people use on a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. It's different how different people use it. There's no one go-to approved plan, but I do it on multiple time frames. So look at that, multiple candles. First, second, third. Yeah. Well, the second and the third candle never took out the high or low, never even tested it yet. And then came this candle, fourth candle, broke below that open range breakout. That was the first 15 minutes. And I watched it form. Looking here on the 30 minutes. Zoom in some more. On the 30-minute. We had this huge candle rejection. Yeah. So my thought process was, again, when this got done, the 30-minute here, which is the first two candles here, I was thinking, okay, we'll probably get a retracement of here. And it didn't occur on this 30-minute candle. Nope. So as I'm watching this, I'm thinking, okay, I want to take a trade here. I so badly wanted to take a trade here. Bullish trade, bull put spread. I had it queued in, ready to press the button. I didn't take it. I was thinking, yeah, it might fill here. I didn't think it was going to even get up there. So I didn't take it. And then it went higher. Anyway, that trade coulda, woulda, shoulda been a winner, but I didn't take it. Wow, the struggle's real. Then I'm seeing this red bearish pin bar. thinking, oh, wow, it's not even going to test this. Nope, it's going to reverse. Bullish pin bar. More of a dragonfly. Yep, I'm watching. And watching here too. Well, what happened was that next green candle did break below here. I didn't go short. Nope, thank goodness I didn't go short. We end up retesting the high of this wick and broke above it. Like it. We had a little pullback in there. I reloaded my working order because the prices were different. And it didn't get filled right away. Sitting, waiting. Yeah. So again, that breakout was there. I got filled. So I want to get in filled a minimum certain price. Got filled at 1107. Bull put spreads. Yeah, bull put spreads. See right there? Bull put spreads. Yep. And then it went sideways for a while. Huge move here. Now, my stop was further down, but that huge move, like that candle, was thinking, okay, I'm going to be in a bad position because when this was being formed, I'm thinking, yeah, this was all red down here at the body. And then it reversed. Okay. When this occurred, I was like, nice. When that got done, I saw that show me very clearly that the shorts down here were weak and got drove back up. Nice. You see here, here's a consolidation here, inside candle and a breakout. That breakout went higher. I reduced my gains. I wasn't going to stay in for the 50%. I was very concerned. So I got out around 35%, 37%. Yep. So took profits. Thank goodness. It was a long, slow feed market. It was a long, slow session. And look what happened. Nearly tweezer tops, reverse, flipped, sold off. Thank goodness I got out of that trade. And then you can see here, excuse me, sorry. There we go. Look what happened after this dump. Again, it's that big wick on the bottom. Reversal, engulfing candle. Again, this red candle, huge till, just like here. Next candle, huge body engulfing this one and took off like a rocket ship to go high. So in hindsight, if I stayed in the trade till close, I would have made max profit. Well, going down here, I would have taken a lot of heat. So I'm fine that I closed it and it's still for profits. Nice. And look at here too, a lot of indecision down here. So a little insight here. This particular trade was off the 15-minute candles using the second retest. So this first one, I waited for it to get done. Even though it broke below there, I waited for it to get done, I mentioned. And I wasn't ready to take the trade. Because again, I was thinking overall, I showed you overnight, more bearish bias. So I was thinking, okay, this is going to be weak. But when I went up here, again, broke above there, a little pullback, liked it, got long. Morning session, worked out fine. I want to show you the screenshots on how it went when I was taking the trades. This is at 9:45 when the economic news came out. See that new candle coming in right there? Yeah, you see how small the daily candle was? Let's go to the next. This is at 10 a.m. So the 10 a.m., third candle starting. So that second candle was inside candle, indecision. And again, this first 30-minute candle was done. Huge wick on the top, thinking that was going to be retraced. 10:17. Again, weak down here on the 15-minute. Even here, daily candle, look at that weak. And here at 10:17, we still haven't taken out the higher low of that first 30-minute candle. 10:26. That's when we took that test on the range, and we went to the bottom, tested it, smack down. That was the low for that first 15-minute candle. Again, that's at 10:26. 10:30. What a difference. Tested it, rejected it. Again, look at that. So that's where I was thinking going bullish right after that. Right there. 10:45. Look at that. Went even higher. See, it tested almost 100%, but wicks didn't go all the way up. Again, 10:45, that new candle starting. Look at these 30-minute ones here. We still haven't taken out that, but we're testing that big wick. 11 o'clock, bearish, right there. That red candle, like a dragonfly. Wow, that was suspicious. So my thought was, okay, maybe we get partial retests, but look for considering a bear put spread. Sorry, bear call spread. I was considering a bear call spread there. But also I do is sit on my hands, wait for a retest to see how it looks. And look at that. Oof. Right there, that big green candle, 1104. Test it and broke above that first 15-minute high. Look at here too, strength. And I put my trade on. And look at that, when I got my trade filled, because again, it took a while to get filled at the price I wanted. Another bearish pin bar. Yep. But again, higher lows, higher highs. Seeing these big weights getting retested. 11:15. That green candle that I did get in, remember, it was like this for a moment. Nice strong body. I liked it. No, I was thinking maybe we'll get a retest there. And I was thinking too, make it all the way down to the bottom of this candle. But that little wick there did prove later, you'll see that it was good enough to hold up. That red candle, 11:30, that red candle, suspicious, thinking that it's going to get retested on the bottom. And get new 30-minute candle starting here at yellow. So we got higher highs, higher lows. More strength going there. 11:40, huge dump. I was like, oh, my gains were gone. Still in the trade, didn't get stopped out yet. Huge dump. I was like, I was like, oof. I was like, there goes all that work. All that work meaning time. I put in a lot of time there, sitting there watching it. 11:45, nice. Huge wick on the bottom. What was all red turned, buyer stepped in. Nice. 11:55, 5 minutes before the top of the hour. And inside candle. 12 o'clock. Inside candle finish. Very suspicious here. Again, means indecision. Inside candle go either way. And if it goes down and retest here, it could get worse. 12:08. Look at that. Nice big breakout. I'm out of my trade. Remember, I reduced my gain. I wasn't going to stay for the 50% gain. So I closed right there for gains. Nice. Happy camper. Worked out well. So let's go back to the chart. Remember, I closed here. The next candle dumped. Thank goodness I closed my trade. That's day trading, not to think long-term, days, weeks, months, don't get in and out. If you like to have early access to my videos, I have a subscribers page, Patreon page for a very tiny donation. The link is in the bottom of the video. That's it. Thank you for taking the time watching the video.